Welcome! In today's video, we're going to talk about how to prevent camera access on Messenger, and yes, this is the updated way to do it. If you've ever felt uncomfortable knowing that an app can access your camera anytime, this short and simple guide will help you take control of your privacy. Let's jump right into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your privacy and app control options live. On most phones, you'll find the gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or sometimes it might say App Management, depending on your device. Tap that. This is where every app installed on your phone is listed. Now find the Messenger app from that list. Tapping it will open a settings page that controls how Messenger works on your device. From here, you'll see a section labeled Permissions. Tap on it. These are the permissions Messenger currently has, like access to your contacts, microphone, and of course, your camera. Now here's the step that matters most. Find Camera in that list, tap on it, and then choose Don't Allow. That's it. You've just stopped Messenger from having access to your camera. Once you do that, Messenger won't be able to open your camera automatically or access it in the background. The next time you try to take a photo directly through the app, it'll ask you to grant permission again, and you can simply deny it. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in keeping your personal space a little more private. Many people don't realize that managing app permissions like this can reduce unnecessary data access and potential security risks. So take a minute to check your other app permissions too. You might be surprised at how many apps have access to things they don't really need, and that's all there is to it. A quick and easy way to protect your privacy by preventing camera access on Messenger. Thank you for watching.